Osmosis is the net flow of water from one side of a selectively permeable membrane to the other. It is crucial to maintaining the body's fluid balance. Consider a solution like this one, in which the solute concentration is higher on the left side of the membrane than it is on the right. That means that the water concentration is higher on the right than on the left. If a solution is 20% solute, then it is 80% water. If it is 10% solute, then it is 90% water. The water molecules are always moving, and since this membrane is permeable to water, they move back and forth. However, when water molecules encounter a solute particle, they tend to associate with it and form a hydration sphere, like this one. Even though this is a loose, reversible attraction, it makes those water molecules less available to diffuse back across the membrane. So since the water molecules from the right side move to the left, but can't get back, the net movement of water is in the direction of the higher solute concentration, and water ends up accumulating on the side with the most solute. This net movement continues until the opposite sides of the membrane have an equal concentration, in which case the net movement will also be equal. For example, our plasma membranes have protein channels called aquaporins. These are specialized for the passage of water. A cell can exchange a tremendous amount of water by osmosis. For example, if a red blood cell is in a hypertonic solution, meaning one with a higher concentration of solute than that of the cell's cytosol, then the net movement of water will be out of the cell and toward the more highly concentrated solution, and the cell will shrink, called crenation. If the cell is placed in a hypotonic solution, which is less concentrated, the net movement of water will be into the cell toward the more highly concentrated cytosol, and the cell will expand and burst. This is called hemolysis.